So here we are, arrived at Southampton. If you come out of the railway station, there is a crossing here which you can use, and we are making our way to Ocean Terminal.
Hope we don't get lost.
So we'll show you some of the ways.
When you come out of the traffic lights, you need to come straight across the road and into this car park. What time is it, Dave?
It is 12:53 and it says it takes about 20 minutes to get there.
Right, 12:53, and we'll time the time that we get there. So we're heading through the car park, and I'll pick you up when we get to the other end. Right, we've gone through the car park and now we've come to a second car park. You should see in front of you, you can't miss it, a big John Lewis department store. So we'll carry on along this path and pick you up at the next change of direction. Right, this is the exit from the car park. We've got Furniture Village directly ahead of us and John Lewis still on the left. We're going to negotiate this crossing, and when you come over you turn a left, and we're still heading towards John Lewis. Right, we're still following the way. Now you can see we're coming alongside that big John Lewis store, passing this water feature, and we've got the sign West Quay on the top there, which presumably is the area. Just keep following the path along and go straight until we give you a change of direction. The John Lewis building on the left. Over on the right, just to confirm you're in the right direction, you've got Matalan, Mountain Warehouse and IKEA. And again, we're just following this path all the way down. I'm still walking on the same path. We're passing West Quay multi-storey car park to ensure you're on the right way. It would appear that this path probably is going to lead pretty much most of the way to it. So as long as you've got now Marks and Spencer's is on the left after John Lewis, then you've got Hollywood Bowl coming up, and just stay on this path. When you come off that path, you hit this path, you lose the cycle lane, and you are walking past the end of Premier Inn and Marks and Spencer's on the other side of the road. Looks like we're going to cross the road here, if I don't get run over. So cross the road, you've got big Voco in front of you on the white high-rise building.
That's a princess ship.
Oh, we got a ship just over there. We're not sure which one that is. Can't see the markings yet. Don't believe that's our port though.
Ship.
Morella.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, yes, it's one of the Morella ships.
It's a Morella ship. It's a
Oh.
ship. It's a ship.
Oh, is it mine ship? It's, I say, it looks a bit big for a Morella.
I thought that as well.
Yeah, well, we'll see when we get a bit closer. I'm not sure. Oh, we're not going that way. We might cop a sight of it at some point. But
I didn't know my ship used the Chewy logo.
no, I didn't. But it's not blue like Morella uses.
No, Morella is red, I think. Is it red?
Yeah, the symbol's red, but they usually have blue on the top on the funnels. Right, we're now going through this car park. Follow that Voco building. That's easy to spot. And we're walking through this way to the road. We're not sure what terminal the Morella, oh I say Morella, the mine ship is in, but we'll try and find out. Right, we've still got the Voco building, we're still following that, and we're coming out of this car park, and we have some traffic lights. I presume we're probably going to end up the other side of that road. Right, Dave's just getting his bearings, but I'm looking at the mine ship. I didn't know they came to the UK. I'm really puzzled. Anyway, it looks like it's at the City Cruise Terminal. So that's how easy it is to get to the City Cruise Terminal. right behind the Hyundai garage. And we are at the moment at the entrance to the Leonardo Royale Hotel. Dave's getting his bearings. Once we know where we're going, I'll get back to you. Right, we're at those traffic lights and we're going to find a way up this way. We've turned left, so we're passing now the Grand Harbour Hotel. And we've now got a sign here which will hopefully tell us which terminals are where. No, just says Dock Gate 4 and Dock Gate 8. And this is the Mayflower roundabout coming up. So we're at the Mayflower roundabout. We're going to cross here. Yeah, we can come in. Heading towards these arches and carrying on along this road for the time being. Right, we're still carrying on along this road. I thought Dave was going to go over the lights then. Pretty little, I think that might be a water fountain, but very pretty. And going towards this Robin Hill sign.
I can see her, she's there.
Yay! We've got our first sighting of Sky Princess. Wow! Now it gets even more exciting as you get nearer. So, quite a simple walk really. Obviously we're not quite there yet, but no hills. The paths have been fine to drag suitcases over. So I'm pretty glad that we've walked it. Build up my appetite for when we get on the ship. Right, we're still on this busy road, just going past Enio's, and you've got that lovely building in front. Sky Princess, we've seen, is hiding behind that building at the moment. So we're not far off there now. We'll give you a time check when we actually get there, so you can see how long it's taken us to walk there. But anyway, it's quite pleasant. At least it's dry. I don't think we're going to have brilliant weather, but we'll settle for what we get. Right, I'll get back to you in a second. We're obviously heading straight over. Right, we've crossed over that busy main road, and now we're coming across towards that building I showed you. Not sure what it is, but I like it. And then we're carrying on straight along this, and the ship should be just behind this building. Got views now where we can see the Ocean Terminal entrance. Not sure if you can make it out through these trees, but we'll show you as we approach. So yeah, oh, we got a good view of the ship now as well. Oh, looking beautiful. Right, here we go. Yay! Oh, look at her. Sky Princess. We're going to be on that very soon. Still walking. There's a bit of a walk when you get past that building to get round to the right entrance, but we're not far to go. Okay, we've got this fencing which you've got to come round, and then you take the right turn, and it is actually signposted on there. Look, Platform Road, Ocean Cruise Terminal, this way. So we'll carry on round here. I won't shoot all the way down here, but you can see we're getting ever nearer the ship. I'm going to try and get some good photos of her in a minute. Hey, we're nearly there, Dave.
We made it. It was only about 20 minutes walk.
What time is it? Because it was 12:53.
It is 13:16, so 1:16.
So 23 minutes.
Yeah.
And we have stopped a couple of times just to check directions. So I reckon about 20 minutes is right.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, and we're just finding our way into the main entrance, which I think the main entrance to the terminal is just after this fence. You've got to cross the road. So you have to cross the crossing to get to the pedestrian side. Again, it's signposted, Ocean Terminal and the QE2 terminal, if you're going to the QE2. So there we go, we can see now we're on the direct approach to Ocean Terminal. And there is Sky Princess. Even though it hasn't got a blue sky in the background, still looking beautiful. So we can't wait to get on there now. But the next thing is we're going to show you the embarkation process. So here is the front of the ocean terminal, and we'll show you the walking through the entrance and the embarkation process. But first of all, we're going to try and catch a few quick pictures.